Welcome friends, viewers and my dear subscribers to our channel 1990 Pets Hobbies with me. That is Manidam Topchi Ghoniwale. So today I am showing you that I have got a budgie last night and she has no beak on the most part of her upper side. So here's her story, and she has three small chicks and I'm hand feeding them, raising on Pet's life, and that's the most sad part that she can't feed them. And I have an habit of raising budgies, chicks, and cockatiels, fishes. So I'm little bit of scared from the bird's beak that is little bit broken from downwards also. I want bird to first gain my trust. So I'm holding with this cloth, and there are lots of differences I have seen inside this bird's nature. That it's totally wild type bird, and it's totally untamed. And when I'm trying to feed her, she's nipping this pipe, and it's mainly of a butterfly needle known as this in India, and it's mainly used for human when we use as a saline drip. So while I was feeding her, so this problems comes whenever we first time feed any bird, whether it's a big bird or a small bird or a baby bird or a chick of any bird. So whenever we feed them, some water comes out from their nostrils and they try to spit out whatever we have given them. Only first time this happens, and after that, from then they start to take the feed. But the most difficult part was I was having little bit of anxiety, depression last night. What will I do? I was sharing the images, so people was giving me advice that give her chopped vegetables or fruits or some soft food. But I gave her the formula feed, and I little bit trim her feathers so that she can first gain my trust. The sound you're listening is of my images, sorry, not images, my message ringtone. So she is a very cute little bird with having no beak, and my friends also, they have seen such thing for the very first time. Even I also. So I was making her to be with some budgies of males that I'm having, but everyone was biting and fighting with her. But now I have put with the small chicks that I'm hand raising them. So one of the chicks that you can see is trying to get feed from her and trying to love her also. But as she was frustrated from his behavior, so she's trying to leave him. But you can see her face how bad I feel for her, that she has no beak. And people always give me birds, pigeons, eagles, kites, owls, that they know that I'm an animal lover and I will take care of them. But I will say that I have no idea about it. First they give me, then I research, then I try to save the bird. You can see she's also trying to love other birds, but as she's having no beak, so she's not able to peer them and love them. But still I'm happy that she find new friends and they love her, and she also try to love them. You can see the bird in the right sitting alone from us, this one that I'm taking on my hand. So this bird is interested in the green budgie. Her name is Angel, and she's trying to go there, but this baby is coming between them. So I get an clue that these both bird will stay together. I think so. At least being a partner or friend. After feeding her, she slept on my glass of water. I have not disturbed her and let her sleep there. I want her to feel comfortable in my room like other budgies, and it has been a very miraculous thing that last night she was biting, she was making noise, screaming, and in the morning she was like a tame bird. And I was also really very shocked to see this such drastic behavior change in her. And she is now like a tame, but still she is not comfortable while sitting on my hand. I have to catch her with a cloth only, but it will take time. But as she is showing the good signs, I am very happy. I am out of stress now that she is able to cope up with the life that whatever nature has done with her. But I will pray that may God give her beak again, and if the beak regrows, that will be a very big achievement for me, that I have done something for this bird. She is very cute bird. And the last thing I want to say, that this blue budgie is very young and has made a friend to her, and I'm very happy that the bird is having someone in companion of her. Thank you so much for watching. Keep your duas. Allah Hafiz.